Embedding a Klaviyo sign-up form on your Shopify store is a great way to capture leads and grow your email list. Here's how you can do it. Create a sign-up form in Klaviyo. Log into your Klaviyo account and navigate to the sign-up form section under List and Segments. Click Create Sign-up Form. Choose between a pop-up or embedded form based on your preference. Customize the form design, fields, and any branding elements. Set up any integrations you want, like adding subscribers to specific lists. Copy the embed code. After customizing the form, click Publish. Klaviyo will provide you with an embed code. Copy this code to your clipboard. Embed the code in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store, Themes, and select Customize on the theme you're using. In the theme editor, click on Add Section or directly navigate to the area where you want the form. Add an HTML block or use the Custom Content section. Paste the Klaviyo embed code into the HTML field. Save your changes. Save and publish your Shopify store. Your Klaviyo form will now appear live on your store, collecting subscribers efficiently.